Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to add product variants in Shopify, and it will be a step-by-step tutorial for you guys. If you sell items with different size, different colors or styles, then variants are exactly what you need, and it is essential for you also. So without any further ado, let's get started and set up your store the right way. So first of all, you need to understand what is or what are the Shopify variants. Variants lets you offer the same product with different options, like a t-shirt you are selling with a small size, medium size, and you have the large size. Then a phone case in black, white or blue color available in your store. Then you are giving options or even combination like size plus color. Each variant can have its own price, image, SKU and inventory. So let's now create some, so you will get the practical result over that place. So as you can see, this is our Shopify platform and we already landed in the panel. So here you just need to click on start for free, but I already have an account, that's why I'm going to click on login. Once I log in here, then I will redirect to my dashboard panel. Here you can see this is the dashboard panel and I'm using the trial version. So your trial has expired, so my trial has been expired, so I'm going to create a new store over that panel. So just click on all store. Once you click over here, just click on create store. Once you click over here, now they will give you the option to create an store on Shopify. So I'm going to click on this skip, I will decide later. Once I click over here, then you will get option like where would you like to sell. I'm going to click this and online store, then click on next, then click on new business or idea, just click on next, and again what do you plan to sell, products I buy or make myself, then print and demand products. So let's click on next, and here you can see this is our dashboard and you can see you are all set. So let's view our front end design. Is it really cool or not? Just click on online store. Once you click over here, then it will redirect us to the front end design panel. Here you can see, so it has been done. So we have couple of like example product, it's not product yet, so I'm going to add some of products. So first of all, I'm going to add a new product over here. So here click on add product. Before this, I will find out a t-shirt, like I'm looking for t-shirt, then click on t-shirt and let's find out some of them. Yellow clothing, so I'm going to use this website image. I think this may be good. Just click on, and there is some size like as ML, L, XL. So I'm going to download this image. Let's save it. Once it's done, then come over that place, add product. So similarly, I'm going to copy all the necessary things from this panel and I'll paste it here. Then I'm going to select the description. Does they have any description? Yes, they have. So I'm trying to make it more professional for my product page. Then I'm going to upload the picture and I'm going to give the price like similar this one, and here I'm going to copy this. This is the best practice to add a product on your store, then you need to follow this one. So here you can see when we already done, then you will get options after this one, that's called pricing, and we already provide and pricing. Now here you can see this is the inventory section. So here we need to be add an inventory, or we can uncheck it, the track quantity. So I will uncheck it. Then here shipping, weight, LV, kg, whatever you want. This is physical product, so I will leave it this way. Then you can add custom information or you can just leave it as usual. So now the variants one that we are going to talk about. So here you can see we have this variant section. So I'm going to add some size like over that place as M, L, XL and double XL. So I'm going to click over that place, and here you can see we have the option add option like size or color. So I'm going to click on and then select the size. Once I click over size, and here I'm going to add size. Here you can see they already give us the size. In fact, they already provide various options. So I'm going to click on like this, SMLX XXL, and just click on done. Once I click over here done, then you can connect to size, or let's click on done, and here you can see we can add couple of images over that panel, like we can edit it one by one. Inventory is not tracked yet, so I'm going to download some other images. So let's download this one. Let's click on Ctrl+C and save. Similarly, I'm going to save it. Then go to this panel, save it. Again, save it. So you will find out the differentiation when we will add this image on our this option. So now click on this one and let's click on add files. I'm going to upload it one by one. So here I think it has been done, so I will upload it again. Okay, we need to wait a while to upload it properly. So now upload it, click on done. As you can see, it has been changed. Then again I'm going to upload another one. This will be this one, and we need to wait a while. Like our option types has been selected, we are working on size, so that's why it's not a tampering like option for us. So now we need to add it one by one. Once I done, then I will come back to this video again. So as you can see, our each variant customization has been done, so you can easily customize each one individually, like set different price if needed. So let's go and add a different price over here. It will be 100, it will be 15, it will be 80, also it will be like 8,000. So this way you can change the price, then you can select it, then you will get a couple of other options like edit quantities, edit SQS, like you can edit all the thing over that panel. So once you're done, you just click on save. Once you click over here, it will be saved. Also you can adjust inventory and shipping setting for each product. So once you're done, it will take a while, and then I will visit here, and here you can see this is our product. Just enter on it, and here you can see we have these variants over that one. When I will select one of them, the picture will be changed with the size. When I will select L, it will be changed. Let's click on XL. As you can see, our product picture has been changed, so it's really amazing. So if you want to use the both sides, like two variants in on time, then you can do it. Just click on color and add your color over here, choose one of them. Let's click on done, and let's have save. Once I click on save, then let's visit the panel again. Let's refresh this page. Here you can see our color also had been set on that panel. This way we are allowed to use this one. Like let's refresh it. So there is some things we need to be fixed by variants. So we need to add this color options over that panel also. So here you can see color and size. So let's refresh it, and what's really happened, we need to find out the solution. So here you can see it's already fixed. There is some technical glitch we face. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you think this was knowledgeable for you, then I hope you learned many things, and that's how you add variants in Shopify. Each easy and beginner friendly video. We created size and color option, then customize price, image and stock, and also preview how it looks live. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below on the video. And also thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.